Hello, friends. Welcome to VBSM Academy. Today, I would like to give a brief introduction and a brief outlook on biosphere reserves of India. Nilagiri first to be included, Gulf of Bannar, Sundarban, Nanda Devi, Naukrik, Pachmarahi, Similipal, Achanamak, Amarkantak, Great Nicobar, Agasthyamala, and Kanchanaganga. Biogeology is a branch of science which deals with the study of biology with relating to the earth science. Well, friends, organism samples from environment we are going to collect and subjected to the agar culturing and cell counting, which is viewed through the count colony forming units under microscopic study, gives the information about the organisms of the environment. Observe the Spectrococcus pyogenes, which are microbes. The microorganisms, by their omnipresence, impact the entire biosphere. Microbial life plays a primary role in regulating biochemical systems in virtually all of our planet's environments, including some of the most extreme, from frozen environments and acidic lakes to hydrothermal vents at the bottom of the deepest oceans, and some of the most familiar, such as the human small intestine even. Microbes, by virtue of their biomass alone, constitute a significant carbon sink. Aside from carbon fixation, microorganisms key collective metabolic processes, including nitrogen fixation, methane metabolism, and sulfur metabolism, control global biogeochemical cycling. The immensity of microorganisms' production is such that even in the total absence of eukaryotic life, these processes would likely continue unchanged. Microbial life, calculated as 5 into 10 to the power of 30 cells, 8 orders of magnitude greater than the number of stars in the observable universe. Wonderful thing, my dear friends. I would like to divert your attention towards there are a total 11 biosphere reserves of India. Biosphere reserves of India, if you observe, Nilagiri, Gulf of Mannar, Sundarban, Nanda Devi, etc. Well, friends, Nilagiri's Biosphere Reserve. The Nilagiri's Biosphere Reserve is an international biosphere reserve in the Western Ghats, South India. This includes Arlam, Munamalai, Mukruti, Nagarhole, Bandipur, and Silent Valley National Parks of the Wayanad and Satyamangalam Wildlife Sanctuaries. A fascinating ecosystem of the hill ranges of Nilgiris and its surroundings, environments covering tract over 5,000 square kilometers, was continued as Nilgiri Biosphere Reserve by UNESCO in September 1986 under Man and Biosphere Program. Well, friends, the tribal groups like Badagas, Todas, Kotas, Irulas, Kurumbas, so many people are living in that area. Well, Gulf of Mannar, which is an important biosphere. This is the national park is protected area consisting of 21 small islands in the Indian Ocean. In 1986, a group of 21 insets lying off the Tamil Nadu coast between the Thoothukudi and Dhanushkodi were declared the Gulf of Mannar Marine National Parks. The park and its 10-kilometer buffer zone were declared a biosphere reserve in 1989. Gulf of Mannar Biosphere Reserve are the first ever marine biosphere in Southeast Asia. My dear friends, these very important zones are Tuticorin group of 4 islands, Wembar group of 2 islands, then Kilakari group of 7 islands, and Mandapam group of 4 islands, which are very important islands in the Gulf of Mannar Marine National Park. This is the Bankani Camp, Sundarban Tiger Reserve. Welcome to this is the gate where we are going to enter into the park. When I was staying at Kolkata, we visited the Sundarban, very beautiful place, which is Sundarban Tiger Reserve. This is entering by steps Sundarban Tiger Reserve. And the Sundarbans National Park is a national park, tiger reserve and biosphere reserve in West Bengal, India. It is part and Sundarbans on the Ganges Delta and adjacent to the Sundarban Reserve Forest in Bangladesh. The delta is densely covered by mangrove forests and is one of the largest reserves of the Bengal tiger. The present Sundarbans National Park was declared as the core area of the Sundarbans Tiger Reserve in 1973 and a wildlife sanctuary in 1977. Sundarban National Park is also home to a variety of birds and reptiles and invertebrate species of including the saltwater crocodile. Well, this is a wonderful crocodile is situated at the bank of the Sundarban Lake. On 4th of May 1984, it was declared a national park. It's a UNESCO World Heritage Site inscribed in 1987, and it has been designated as a Ramsar site since 2019. It is considered as World's Network of Biosphere Reserve, Manan Biosphere Reserve from 1989. The Nanda Devi National Park is another important biosphere reserve established in 1982 as a national park situated around the peak of Nanda Devi, 7,816 meters from the sea level in the state of Uttarakhand in North India. The entire park lies at an elevation of more than 3,500 meters, that is 11,500 feet above mean sea level. The national park was inscribed a World Heritage Site by UNESCO in 1988. Nanda Devi Valley of Flowers National Park in 2005 is a very beautiful observation by the pilgrims where they are going to visit Nanda Devi National Park. The national park is embedded in 2,236.74 kilometers, that is 863.61 square miles, sized Nanda Devi Biosphere Reserve, which in turn is encompassed in 5,148.57 kilometers square, that is 1,987.87 square miles. Buffer zone around the Nanda Devi and Valley Flowers National Park, UNESCO site. Best time to visit Nanda Devi National Park is from May to October. Well, friends, please visit and enjoy the Nanda Devi National Park Biosphere. Nakrek National Park, the core area of the Nakrek Biosphere, is another important national park located approximately 2 kilometers from Tura Peak in West Garo Hills, district of Meghalaya, India. UNESCO added this national park to its list of biosphere reserves in May 2009. Along with Balpakram National Park, Nakrek is a hotspot of biodiversity in Meghalaya. The Patmachi Biosphere Reserve is a non-use conservation area biosphere reserve in the Satpura Range and Satpura Range of Madhya Pradesh state in Central India. The conservation area was created in 1999 by Indian government. It also contains animals from the Himalayan peaks and from the lower Western Ghats. UNESCO designated it a biosphere reserve in 2009. Similipal National Park is national park and tiger reserve in the Mayurbhanj district in the Indian state of Odisha, covering 2,750 kilometers square, 1,060, that is 1,060 square miles. It is a part of Mayurbhanj Elephant Reserve, which includes 3 protected areas: Simlipal Tiger Reserve, Hadgad Wildlife Sanctuary with 191.06 kilometers square or 73.77 square miles, Kuldeepa, that is Kuldiha Wildlife Sanctuary with 272.75 kilometers square or 105.31 square miles. Similipal National Park derives its name from the abundance of red silk cotton trees growing in this area. Similipal National Park, VVS Academy is welcoming you to this Similipal National Park, seventh largest national park in India. The park is home to Bengal tiger, Asian elephant, gaur, and chasingha, along with some of the beautiful waterfalls like Joranda and Berechi Pani Falls. This protected area is part of UNESCO World Heritage Network of Biosphere since 2009. The reserve is located in the northern part of the Biogeographic Zone 6 and Biogeographic Province 6A, Deccan Peninsula and Central Islands. About 68.1% of this reserve lies in the Bilaspur district in Chhattisgarh. The other major portions of the reserve are in Anuppur 16.2%, 20%, and Dindori 15.7%, districts of Madhya Pradesh. The protected area, the Achanakam Wildlife Sanctuary, Achankamar Wildlife Sanctuary is located in the Bilaspur district within the Biosphere Reserve. The Great Nicobar Biosphere Reserve encompasses a large part, some 85% island. The Great Nicobar, Andaman and Nicobar Islands are very famous territorial waters of India, the largest of the Nicobar Islands in the Indian Union Territory of Andaman and Nicobar Islands. The Nicobars lie in the Bengal Eastern Indian Ocean, 990 kilometers to the north of Indonesian and island of Sumatra. The reserve has total core area approximately 895 kilometers square, surrounded by 12 kilometers wide forest buffer zone. In year 2013, it was included in the list of Man and Biosphere Program of UNESCO to promote sustainable development based on local community effort and sound science. This is the beautiful Nicobar Islands, where I visited to survey the barren islands in the Geological Survey of India when I was in service. A beautiful Andaman and Nicobar Islands voyage is a wonderful experience in my life and in my official career, my dear friends. The Agastya Malay Biosphere, which is Patanathika Kollam and Thiruvananthapuram district of Kerala, Tirunelveli, Kanyakumari district in Tamil Nadu, South India at the southern end of the Western Ghats. This is a very important thing to know, the tiger sanctuary and Tirunelveli, Kollam and Pathanamthitta district in Kerala. The Kanchenjunga Biosphere Reserve has become the 11th biosphere reserve from India that has been included in the UNESCO designated World Network of Biosphere Reserves, that is WNBR. The decision was taken by the 30th session of International Coordinating Council, that is ICC, of Man and Biosphere MAB program of UNESCO held in Palembang, Indonesia. India has 18 biosphere reserves, and with the inclusion of Kanchenjunga, the number of internationally designated WNBR has become 11, with 7 biosphere reserves being domestic biosphere reserves. Thank you. Like, subscribe, and share.